Hi, I'm Jason, designated broker of SJC Management Group, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of who we are and what services we provide for our clients. We're a local property management company that has been servicing this area for over 50 years. We were family owned and operated. My folks originally started the company. What we do is help clients with all aspects of their property management needs. So throughout our website, there's a lot more information, but I'll just give you a kind of a rundown of some of the key aspects, but not all of what we do. So obviously we help with the collection of rents and making sure that those rents come in and are dispersed to you in a timely manner with a monthly statement so you can see the activity on your property, year-to-date statement at the end of the year, and tax documents in January as well. One of the big aspects in our particular area is staying compliant with the local laws and regulations. Not only does Washington State have its own state rules, but each individual county or municipality may have different rules. So there are different timeframes for rent increase notices or other types of notices that would be posted with the tenants. So staying compliant with all those regulations is a big part of what we do for our clients. Maintenance coordination, and there's a lot more information on that. Making sure that the property stays maintained, that things are taken care of in a timely manner and a cost-effective manner is very important. It helps make sure that the tenants want to stay in the property and renew when lease renewals come up. And it also ensures that the value of your property is staying and not deteriorating from a lack of maintenance or deferred maintenance. Marketing when the property is vacant. Obviously, we do extensive marketing of the property, including virtual tours, professional grade photography. We use over 30 different sites that we syndicate out to, and we really target all of the top viewed sites in the area to get as much interest in the property as possible. We make it very easy for people to schedule showings. We have somebody answering inquiries 7 days a week. So we really work very hard to make sure that the property gets shown and rented as quickly as possible. Regular and routine walkthroughs is an important function of what we do. We do call them rental inspections, though we're not going in the attic or crawl space like a home inspector, but we are checking for lease violations on those routine occupied ones at the beginning of tenancy to document exactly how it's turned over to the tenants, and then at the end of tenancy to see if there's any cleaning or repairs that may need to be charged to the tenant's security deposit, which we would be holding on your behalf. Communication is a big point of what we do. We want to make sure that you're staying informed as to what's happening at your property at all times. If an eviction does become necessary, we will oversee that process and make sure that it goes as smoothly as possible. We also offer an eviction guarantee, as well as some other guarantees, which I'll go over in just a second. Our guarantees are the eviction guarantee that I mentioned, but also a tenant warranty. So if a tenant is placed into a property and ends up breaking their lease and moving out before the end of that lease term of that first year, we would re-rent the property at no cost to you. We also offer pet damage guarantee of up to $2,500 above the tenant's deposit, and that eviction guarantee cost of up to $1,500 for attorney fees. If you have more questions or would like to talk to us more in depth, we'd love to have a conversation about your particular property and how we can help. Thanks so much.